Okay, so every laptop can do this, but can your laptop do this? Now that is what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be super awesome because I have an amazing product to show you all. Asus has recently launched a new convertible 2-in-1 laptop, the Zenbook Flip series. And here it is, the Zenbook Flip 14. The unique thing about it is, it's got a 360-degree fully flippable touch display. Just look at that! How cool it is, right? Along with that, it packs some other features like this thing is powered by AMD's brand new Ryzen 7 3700U CPU, has 8 gigs of RAM and comes with built-in Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics. And yeah, so in this video we're gonna unbox it and see how this thing performs. Let's get started. So the new Zenbook Flip 14 comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the laptop on the front and has the Asus branding everywhere. Talking about the model, we'll be reviewing UM462DA in this video, which is the higher spec 14-inch variant powered by the new Ryzen 7 CPU. Okay, let's check out the specs of this laptop. The Zenbook Flip 14 comes in a light grey finish which sorta looks like silver color, has a 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge touch display, it's powered by the new Ryzen 7 3700U CPU, also available in Ryzen 5 variant, has built-in Radeon Vega 10 graphics, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCI SSD and comes with a 3-cell 42Wh battery. So those were all the highlights of this product. The thing that I'm most excited about this laptop is it's got a 360-degree fully flippable touchscreen. That sounds very cool, right? Can't wait to unbox and check it out. So this is how the inside of the box looks like. Says in search of incredible and has the laptop at the top nicely packed in this cotton bag. Before we check out the Flip 14, let me also quickly show you all the accessories that we got in the box packing. There's the stylus in the box. Looks like the same one which we saw on the Zenbook Pro Duo. I've told you right, the Flip 14 has a touchscreen, so using this stylus you can do a lot of creative works. Along with that, we've got some documents which include a user manual and a warranty card. A compact power adapter, it's a 19V 2.37A adapter. And finally a mains card. So here it is, the Zenbook Flip 14 convertible laptop from Asus. Wow, I have to say this thing looks beautiful from my first impressions. I like that metallic grey finish, looks just like silver. And have I told you that it's got super tough build quality and has passed military grade durability standards. Talking about the weight, the laptop weighs around 1.6 kgs, not that lightweight also as I expected, but on the overall feels pretty solid in the hand. And talking about the build quality is awesome. It's a mix between metal and plastic. The top lid is made of metal, has beautiful chrome finished hinges, while the bottom part is made of plastic. Alright, let me give you a complete overview on all the sides. On the left, we've got a DC in port, a HDMI, a USB 3.1 port, and also a USB 3.1 Type-C port. Going to the front, there's nothing over here. And on the right side, we've got some more ports and buttons, which include a power button, power indicator, a charging indicator LED, a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB 2.0 port, and a micro SD card reader. That's it, these were all the available connectivity ports on it. And at the back side, we've got big exhaust vents to let the heat escape. And this is how the bottom part looks like. You've got some more vents here, 4 rubber foot pads on all the corners, and the Zenbook Flip 14 has stereo down-firing speakers, that too certified by Harman Kardon. Well, that was our complete look on the outside. Now let me open it and show you how it looks from the inside. So as soon as you open it, you'll immediately notice the ergo lift hinge design. Whenever you open the laptop, it lifts and tilts the keyboard to offer a comfortable typing experience, plus improves thermal performance as well. So this is how the inside looks like. The laptop has a frameless Nano Edge touch display with 90% screen to body ratio. And here's the lower half keyboard section. Let me give you all a closer look and talk about the keyboard and the mousepad. But before we do that, let me tell you about the display. It's got a 14-inch Full HD 1080p LED backlit display with 100% sRGB color gamut. There's an Asus logo here, and at the top has some sensors and an IR HD camera. Using this, you can easily log into your laptop via face recognition. Coming to the keyboard, the Flip 14 has a full-size chiclet keyboard with backlit LED lighting. It's got an ergonomic design and the keyboard feels quite comfortable while typing, thanks to that ergo lift hinge. It has a key travel of around 1.4mm and the quality of the keys is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. And not to forget, it also has white LED backlighting, and the brightness is adjustable in 3 steps using this function key. Talking about the touchpad, it's got a good quality mylar covered touchpad with intelligent palm rejection. Works very well and accurately detects all my gestures. I didn't face any sort of dead zones also anywhere. The touchpad has 2 integrated left and right click buttons, and the quality of the buttons were good. Now let me tell you about the display quality. The Zenbook Flip has a 14-inch Full HD display, and compared to the previous gen Zenbook, this one is almost 10% smaller in footprint. All the bezels on this laptop have been trimmed down to make it super compact, leading to a 90% screen to body ratio. And the best part is, it's got a touchscreen. The touch works great, you can easily navigate on screen, and with the help of the provided stylus, you can do a lot of creative works on it. So let's just play one of my videos and talk about the screen quality. As I've mentioned before, it's got a 1080p Full HD LED backlit frameless nano edge display, and I have to say the display looks really nice from my first look. Those thin bezels give a beautiful look to the laptop. The screen is bright, sharp, there's good amount of detail, and since it supports 100% sRGB color gamut, the colors are also very nice and vibrant. The dynamic range was also good. To be honest, for this price point of around 64,000 rupees, the Zenbook was offering a really good display. My only complaint about it is it doesn't have an anti-glare coating, and because of that it attracts a lot of glares and unwanted reflections. Just check out this clip. The viewing angles were also good, it's got 178-degree wide viewing angles. And yes, in the same clip itself, you can also check out the audio quality.
So as you've already seen, my brother wants me to build a PC, and I've actually watched his videos and
she was not sure and needed some guide and help from me. So
what
I
if
won't
I
be
do
doing
something
anything.
wrong?
Yeah. That is the reason I'm here to help you. I won't be building this, she will only be building the PC. The Flip 14 has stereo down-firing speakers certified by Herman Kardon, and I'd say the audio quality on the speakers was decently good. It's crisp and clear with minimum distortion, but the audio output was not that high. It's okay for watching videos on YouTube, but if you want to really enjoy movies, I would definitely recommend you to get some external speakers. Alright then, now let's jump into the performance section. The Zenbook Flip 14 UM462D is powered by the new Ryzen 7 3700U, which is a 4-core 8-thread CPU clocked at 4 GHz, has Radeon RX Vega 10 built-in graphics, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB PCIe SSD. The Flip 14 is fast, performs great during day-to-day tasks like web browsing, streaming videos online, and even photo editing. Not only that, I've also tried gaming on this laptop, and to be honest, it actually didn't disappoint me. We're playing Battlefield 1 right now at 720p resolution with the graphics quality set to low. And on an average, as you can see, I was easily getting around like 35 to 40 frames per second. That too on a AAA title game. Not bad considering that there's no dedicated GPU on this laptop. So like this, you can play most of the AAA title games at the same settings and get these sort of results. So yes, it's also decent for gaming now and then. And the best part about it is, you can completely flip the display and use it even as a tablet. Like how cool is that? These sort of convertible laptops are super useful, especially for creators, artists, designers, and even for photographers. Pair it with the provided stylus and boom, you can unleash your creativity and take your workflow to the next level. Alright then, let's finally talk about the battery life. This laptop has a 3-cell 42 Wh battery, and the battery life was decent. On a moderate kind of use, which includes browsing, watching videos, and slight gaming at 60% brightness level, I was getting around 5 to 6 hours of battery life. So that was my review on the new Zenbook Flip 14 from Asus. It's an awesome convertible laptop for the price. The build quality is premium, love the display quality, performs well, and I feel that it's more than enough for students and even for professional work. The only few things I felt the company should improve was the speaker's audio output. Would be nice if it had a little more sound. Also, there was no fingerprint scanner on it and no Thunderbolt 3 support. Apart from that, rest everything else was great. The pricing of this laptop starts from 64,900 rupees for the Ryzen 5 variant and 74,900 rupees for the Ryzen 7 variant. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. So what do you guys think about this laptop? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright then, thanks for watching this video, hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.